ports.
Yeah, okay. This here, it will be
I
connected.
think you will take the node.
That one,
Yeah, if you wish, you can put in the node. Yeah. Yeah.
this one's connected directly. You will take sample from the tanker. There is a quick coupling. Yeah, on the left side, there's a quick coupling there. So you will take the sample to one of these units, and you have pH and conductivity. If you can see, there is a sensor down, pH and conductivity. So if it's coming high, you have also alarm in the top. There is alarm coming, so it will give you indication with a red color that it is not allowed. Okay, then the system have automatic washing with a solenoid valve and separate PLC to make a cleaning for that tanks, and that's it. We don't have that extra process. It will be independent.
Yeah, I mean, if there is requirement, then I can edit. You want to edit?
Yeah.
Is it required?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah. This is batch operation. This is batch operation.
Yeah.
This is not continuous
it is
operation.
not continuous operation. Yeah, it's not
Batch
related for the process of the treatment plant. So I don't think that's required. Yeah.
But there is one. Then I can include it. We can include it.
This is the point where like
No problem. We can. But we can
maybe
from here we can add, right? We can edit, no problem.
But it is not related for the treatment plant.
It is batch operation, but I will take what Imran is saying. We'll consider in the sampling. There is one guide word sampling is there. We can put it there. No problem.
Because this system will be independent. It's not connected to our operation.
No problem. We will consider it.
No, it's not connected to the PLC system. I mean, our control.
suppose both branch of
PLC?
Yeah.
Or is that the PLC? Why?
Well, we monitor it.
Monitoring what?
Monitoring the pH and the fluid.
No, this is independent. This is only for the tanks. Or just
Only to give
give them permit
the tank
to stop. No,
to inside.
it's not related for the process. Why you want to connect to the PLC?
Maybe you can connect with automatic.
Just connect it so that they can nothing but to stop them.
No, SCADA related for the process operation and control of the plant. Here we don't have
This thing.
operation. Here it's just for the tankers. And this is
We are monitoring the quality also for the tanker. Connectivity, pH.
That's
No.
because the
okay. We'll see this point.